Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world. At its core, AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This encompasses a wide range of capabilities, from problem-solving and pattern recognition to natural language processing and machine learning. AI has found applications across various sectors, revolutionizing industries and contributing to unprecedented advancements. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery, enhancing patient care.
In the realm of business, AI is streamlining operations through automation, optimizing decision-making processes, and facilitating predictive analytics. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI are enhancing customer service experiences, providing instant support and information.